Something happened and you don't know where to go. As you lay it down alone, does it nicely make you so? Every morning, every sunrise looks the same. There's disease surrounding them. Was eaten like a cage. In a road that begins and starts the same, your life reflects your place. In a world where the borders fade away, you're charged within a jail. A lot of time we had the freedom in their veins. Saw the skin watching the coast, always bossing it by the shore. And the village where the farmer dressed in dirt, having fun when the sun hides, drinking everything they find. After all, if the lad you have learned, you won't hear no complaint. All they know is the freedom they created as a curtain from a play. Rambling around, you'll find a doorbell. Don't hesitate, your place blank. You should go and come back when your youth is gone. Always concerned like all the sailors. You ship away for freedom, though you have always put in your thoughts for one. Something happened and you don't know where to go. As I laid it down alone, does it nicely make you so?